Okay, here we go. Round 2, 7 points at stake here. And so the problems in this round get a little bit more challenging. So let's take a look at what we got here. In number 7, we see that these two angles are equal in a right triangle. Therefore, we're looking at a 45, 45, 90 triangle where this leg and this leg are equal. Therefore, right off the bat, S is equal to 10. And then the relationship in a 45, 45, 90 triangle is to get the hypotenuse, you take the leg, 10, and multiply it by square root of 2. That's it. Final answer. S is equal to 10. R is equal to 10 roots of 2. Number 8, you have 2n and n, and they're going to need to add up to 90 degrees. The only way that's going to work is if n is equal to 30 degrees. So n is equal to 30. That gives us a 30, 60, 90 triangle. And specifically, that gives this angle a value of 30 and this angle a value of 60. So identify, what do we have? Well, we have the hypotenuse here labeled at 30. Ironically, that's the length of it. So we've got to go back to the short leg, which is P, and the relationship between the short leg and the hypotenuse is that the hypotenuse is exactly 2 times the short leg. Therefore, if the hypotenuse is 30, short leg P is exactly half of that, 15. To get the long leg Q, that's just the short leg, 15, multiplied by square root of 3. And again, from our Radicals Enlightenment video, no need to overdo it. Just hold 15 times square root of 3, put them together, 15 roots of 3. And then here, final problem for round 2, we've got these two angles, x and x, and they must combine together to add up to 90 degrees since we already have a right angle. Only way that works is if x is equal to 45. So we have a 45, 45, 90 degree triangle. That means these two legs are exactly the same. So we've got 12 and 12. And in a 45, 45, 90 triangle, whatever the leg is, you multiply that value. So in this case, 12, multiply it by square root of 2. Final answer, y is equal to 12 roots of 2. So we had 7 points there. 2 for S and R, then 3 points for N, P, and Q, X and Y. So right now we're at 16 possible points heading into round 3 of the Belch Challenge.